telling you. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my house. Leave my life. Leave my house. I don't want the game. I am not doing anything with you.
Odili, please, if there's anything I have done to you, please, forgive me.
See, please too. I'm kneeling down for you. If there's anything I've done to you, please forgive me. Leave me alone. I don't want now. You have to leave me alone now. If I leave you, I will die. It's better you die because I don't have anything living for you.
This goes now. Why are you blasting us?
You want it to slap? You want it to slap? You want it to slap? My dear, don't. That's very bad. Oh my God. Better you train now. Better you train and die. Tell this your granddaughter to stay away from me. Your love is suffocating me. This your love. It choked me because it choked me. I'm tired. Leave me, oh.
I'm not leaving you.
You don't value what you have, oh. That guy has done nothing but love you. And all you gave her in return is insult, abuse, hatred.
If you are as foolish as this one, may you never walk into another man's slaps, but may you walk into his blows.
Yes, I'm foolish, in fact. Let me be foolish.
Please, foolishly leave me alone. Don't try me, oh. Don't try. You don't know me, oh. You don't know me, I'll kill you, oh. Wait.
I've had enough because of what? Chicken change? Chicken change small money that you were spraying for other girls that you did not spray for me. Keep talking. Police will come and carry you.
This is not the way now. Please now, sir.
Hey, officer, let him go. I have your money now. I have your complete money, 500,000. I say it again, you are evil. You are wicked.
Did you just touch me? Did you just touch me?
You are welcome. Leave my uncle alone. You are the reason he abandoned us here. Leave him alone for us. One day I'll pour you water.
African, American, Asian beauty all in one. This girl, the only thing missing from this girl as an angel is wing.
Face your front and focus on her tongue. Stay away from Chelsea. Chelsea is not your class.
What rubbish are you saying?
If Chelsea is in university, you do primary 3.
Madness is gradually building. At the point, Oga, go back.
Please, drive me. Follow that red car.
You don't want to advise good advice? You don't want to advise?